Here we've got Allview X4 Soul Style, and let me show you how to enable Google Backup on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the settings. In my case they are located right here on the second screen. Now scroll down, find and pick more settings, and now look for the Backup and Reset tab, and once located just click on it. And here, if you'd like to activate Google Backup, just tap on Backup My Data. Now activate it by tapping on this switcher, then you can go back. And now it's time to activate your backup account. To do it, just click on Backup Account and tap on plus to add account. At first, just enter your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your Google account. So in my case it will be email address. And tap on next. And then just enter the password. So let me do it off the screen. And as only you enter the password, all you have to do is to tap on next. And now you can read Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy. Just tap on some particular option. Choose, for example, Google Privacy Policy, and here you'll find all the details. So just read it, and if you do agree with all the terms and conditions included here, just tap on I agree. And as you can see, now it's active. Just tap on next, and from now on you've got your Google Backup active. Here is your backup account, so you can go back to the standard usage of your phone, and there's no need to worry because your data is well protected by Google. So that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.